you're just going to want to go through these letters with the rag just to make sure you get any dust or debris off of it. I've already washed the car, so I pressure washed in these spots so that there's no dirt or anything left, but I'm just going to wipe it one more time. Next, my lovely assistant, get your decals, and you're going to want to go one letter at a time, very gently, very carefully.
Trash.
Yeah, they should have, because pretty much everyone who buys this does this mod.
Yeah, it makes a difference.
It looks good. And this works also for the 350R splitter as well. They're the same letters, the only difference is the splitter sticks out further. Alright. Same thing. I'd also recommend applying it in warmer weather. Right now it's about 70 degrees. Don't do it when it's cold because the plastic won't stick to the decal very well.